It's a sight and sound that causes some panic. But this time, the traffic stop isn't real. Instead, Officer Clint Farrell with Bentonville Police took some time to discuss a question many local officers are now facing. How can I help officers to avoid escalating a traffic stop? Farrell talked about what goes through an officer's mind, saying it's all a matter of safety, and respect is key on both sides.
I'm going to treat you just like I want to be treated on a traffic stop.
Today, police are trained to remain calm and keep you calm.
We try to decrease their nervousness by just the way we talk. I try not to be real authoritative on my stops.
But Farrell says in today's world, officers must be prepared for danger no matter who they pull over. The FBI says traffic stops are one of the deadliest encounters for police.
There's no telling what the situation is going to be when we get to the driver's side windows.
But before an officer gets up to your window, they may touch the back of your car.
In the event that something does go wrong, dispatch has already got a vehicle description, and then my prints are tied to that vehicle.
During this time, Farrell says many drivers start digging for their license and registration, a seemingly harmless move.
You've only got a tenth of a second to respond.
That can make an officer nervous.
We're not sure if that's reaching for information or if it's reaching for a weapon.
Farrell suggests waiting until the officer asks for your information. Also, he says it makes officers feel more comfortable if they can see your hands. And if you have a concealed weapon, by law, you're required to tell the officer. Farrell says most stops that escalate do so when drivers threaten the officer's safety.
If you're not listening and you're not doing, what the officer's telling you to do, that's where things start going south.
Legal experts say if you believe the officer is wrong for any reason, argue your case here, in the courtroom, not at the scene of the traffic stop.
I kind of know the law, and I never argue with the officer over the law.
Attorney Tim Snively says the officer is simply a witness to the alleged violation, not the judge. And in many cases, there are other witnesses.
Most of the cars in Northwest Arkansas, the police cars, have a camera on the car.
Police dash cameras are allowing courts to see and hear exactly what happened.
Before we had cameras, everyone had a different story as to what happened at the scene. At least now that the communications are clear and on camera.
Bentonville police officers say that they are constantly training on how to make traffic stops safer for everyone. And by law, officers must now undergo training to ensure they avoid racial profiling. Daniel Armbruster, 4029 News.